Assalamu alaikum, dear client. I hope you are doing well. Today, I am here to present a conceptual rough design proposal for you. I mean your multifunctional cattle farm project, integrating for both broiler and layer poultry system. I would like to call this a rough design because I had a very short time, just for 2 days to prepare it. As you are arriving in Bangladesh shortly, and I also have a pre-scheduled visit for Cox's Bazar. Despite the time constraint, I have sincerely tried to present a clear and practical vision of your desired project. Let's talk about the project overview. In this proposal, I have included a comprehensive master layout which consists of number 1, security room, number 2, administrative building, and number 3, parking area, then primary waste collection zone, and number 5, main farm building, and the last one is composting area with biogas plant, which is at the ground level. Now, let's talk about the main farm building concept. The core structure of the project is the main farm building designed with functionality and efficiency in mind, which you already can see behind me. You can see here 2 cattle sheds with open feed storage here, a central ramp system for smooth cattle and trolley movement, 2 staircases on both sides of the ramp for easy access, dedicated space for livestock product storage with freezer, distribution room, equipment storage, and also management office. To ensure safety from flooding, the entire ground floor is elevated 8 feet from existing ground level. Additionally, I have kept provision for natural green grass areas to support healthier cattle rearing. Now this is time to talk about vertical functional planning. The building is vertically organized to maximize efficiency. First of all, ground floor, as you can see, cattle farming operations plus biogas and composting support. The second one is, have a look on the first floor, 2 broiler chicken sheds, and on second floor 2 layer chicken sheds. This arrangement ensures proper segregation, hygiene, and operational flow. Let's talk about circulation and accessibility. A large central ramp has been introduced at the main entrance, allowing smooth movement of cattle, feed trolleys, and also equipments. This improves both efficiency and safety within the farm. Finally, this is my closing statement, dear brother. This is a preliminary concept. Due to the short preparation time, there are many technical details such as structural design, ventilation system, waste management optimization, and biosecurity measures that I could not fully present here. However, I believe this presentation reflects my design capability and understanding of your requirements. If this concept reflects your expectations, I would be happy to sit with you after 5 days for a detailed discussion and future development. I will remain available even during my visit to Cox's Bazar. Thank you for your time and consideration. Wishing you all the best, brother.
Mamata Associates. It's time to create history.